In a startling revelation, former Bangladeshi Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina has alleged that the United States is behind her ouster from power because she refused to hand over St. Martin Island to the Washington. In a statement published in the Economic Times through her associate, Hasina blamed the US for orchestrating removal from the post of PM because she refused to hand over St. Martin Island to the US, as it would have enabled the Western superpower to have sway over the Bay of Bengal. Notably, several reports suggest that the US has been eyeing St. Martin Island for many years for its second Air Force base in the region. Prime Minister Hasina's statement confirms the reports that went viral ever since the former Bangladesh PM's shocking and sudden resignation regarding the US involvement in Hasina's ousting. Pertinently, this is not the first time that Hasina has accused the US of meddling in Bangladesh's internal affairs. Previously, the ousted PM had accused Washington of organizing a regime change in Bangladesh during the recently held parliamentary elections. In fact, even Hasina's son, Sajid Wajid Roy, suggested that the Bangladesh protests, which initially began against the job quotas and later turned violent, were likely instigated by a foreign intelligence agency. However, he refrained from explicitly naming the US. Importantly, Hasina, who is currently taking refuge in India, mentioned St. Martin Island while accusing the US, where Washington wanted to build a military base. St. Martin's Island is a landmass of just 3 square kilometers located in the northeastern Bay of Bengal, 9 kilometers south of Cox's Bazar, and is home to around 3,700 residents. The St. Martin Island gained attention after several allegations were made that the former PM Khaleda Zia-led Bangladesh Nationalist Party had planned to sell the island to the US for instruction of a military base in exchange for electoral support to BNP. Several reports mention that Washington has been eyeing St. Martin Island for many years for its second Air Force base in the region. Nonetheless, the US State Department ruled out the allegation, affirming its commitment to respecting Bangladesh's sovereignty and promoting democracy. It is to be noted here that Awami League leaders who are close to Sheikh Hasina have blamed the US for the regime change in Bangladesh. They accused a senior USA diplomat who visited Dhaka in May of being responsible for what happened in the country. Notably, the American ambassador to Bangladesh, Peter Haas, favored the Bangladesh Nationalist Party as alleged by one of the Awami League leaders. St. Martin Island has played a significant role in Bangladesh politics since the country's independence in 1971. Owing to its strategic location, which is near the Bay of Bengal and its maritime boundary with Myanmar, has been attracting significant international attention, specifically from the US and China, both the nations which are seeking to strengthen their presence in the region. In her statement, Hasina further warned the residents of Bangladesh that conspiracies are still on to carve a new country out of Bangladesh like East Timor. Furthermore, Hasina expressed her anguish over the reports of leaders of the Awami Party being killed, workers being harassed, and their homes being vandalized and burnt.